Yo guys, what's up? Today we're looking at Polygon Matic. So I have 224 tokens right now here. I also have another 250 that are staked at 10% interest that are paying me every month, every week. You can see here 0.479 Matic. So pretty good deal. If I had more CRO to stake, I would think about doing that and pump up my 2% to 12% from 10%. I haven't done that yet, but the big news here is Matic has fallen about 5.5% over the last day. So this creates a really good entry point. You can see I've been dollar cost averaging in little by little. Last one I made was only a little bit, $21 at $1.61. So it's about where it is now. It's a good entry point if you're not involved with Matic yet. If you want to make 10% interest and stake here at Crypto.com, go ahead and do that. It's a pretty good deal. It expires every 3 months. Okay, here you can see I have the Matic, and Matic, I have 250 staked at 10%, so pretty good return on investment. Better than just sitting around not collecting any interest. But the real news here is, over the last 6 months, we've been in quite the range. We've been as high as $2, a little over $2, and as low as $1.12. Oh no, 68 cents I saw. So it's still pretty good return, but on the way to $5 Matic by the end of next year is my prediction. I think this year we could end about $2. So still a good gain to be had here in Matic. Let's go back and look at the crypto markets in general. Overall, they're pretty red. There's a couple greens in there somewhere. Crypto.com, the CRO, one of my bigger holdings, you can see. We're at 75, almost 76 cents. We're going on the way back up. We held that 70 cent floor pretty well through this last dip that we had. I thought we were going to hold the floor about 70 cents, and it did. It actually dipped down below slightly to 65 cents, but it recovered rather quickly. Now, I don't think it's going to go back below 70. I think we're going to hit 90 cents before we hit 70 cents. This is a good deal, right? We want higher highs and higher lows. And that's kind of what we've been seeing. Over the last 6 months, we've had a massive return. Hopefully you guys have been following my channel. If not, be sure to subscribe. You can see here we've had quite the run, over 264% in the last month. So we were due for a bit of a pullback. Now, all along the way, we've been pushing up. You can see we pushed up here to 58 cents and we pulled back. And then we had a nice, another big run here, and then we pulled back again, and we had a nice big run again. So this is keeping normal, right? It's the boom and bust cycle of crypto. You have a nice run, you pull back, people take profits. Heck, even I took a little bit of profit off the table with the CRO with such a huge run up, just in case we've had a pullback here at some point, and we could buy in again. But very bullish on the CRO. It's going to $1 before the end of the year. Merry Christmas, everybody. Hopefully we'll see that price real soon here. Another one is a seller that I've been looking at. I'm pretty heavily invested here with 9,300. Now, I've been buying in when it was kind of low, so I don't really have that much invested into seller, but I could take some profits, but I think it's going higher. Now you can see it is pulling back systematically, right? It does have lower lows and lower highs, which is not a good sign for a bull run. It's more of a bear market for seller, but it's got a huge run up, over 142% over the last 6 months. So I'm still doing pretty good with this one, but I'm still very bullish for the future of seller especially when we look at it against Bitcoin. You can see it's tracking pretty well along with it. So we'll see how that works out in the long run. So overall, here's Bitcoin. I've been adding to this Bitcoin position with the low prices that it has right now. I know it's not massive adds, but you can see November 26th, I added a little bit. Very, very little. But every little bit counts, right? 30 years from now or 20 years from now, I'll be like, wow, I should have bought more. But, and Bitcoin's over $1 million, $1.1 million. It's going to be crazy. But here in the short term, we're looking at just cracking that $68,000 mark again. And we think that's going to happen here before the end of the year. Now that the Bitcoin options expiration has happened on Friday, I think we're going higher, and I think it's going to be good. Once we do blow past that point, the $68,000 point, we're going to 100K, 150K, and then who knows how high this thing's going to go. It's crazy. Now, there's been a little bit of FUD out there with China banning crypto. India said they're going to ban crypto. But if you really look at India, what India's doing, they're banning crypto that is not traceable. And we all know Bitcoin is really traceable. They've actually recovered before. Bitcoin has been obfuscated with. So I don't think it's going to be banned in India. I think it's going higher. I think there's a lot of people panicking, though, in the crypto markets. So that could be an issue going forward. So be sure you guys subscribe for more updates on crypto and what's coming next. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.